welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make pineapple lemonade. This is a very famous and refreshing drink for the summer in India. Very healthy and a filling breakfast recipe. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Today I have a pineapple. Cut off the top and you can discard them. Then make 4 slices like this. Remove the skin and the core. Keep this ready. Make small pieces like this. Now transfer the pineapple pieces to a mixer jar. To this add juice of 1 lemon. Then add 2 tablespoons of sugar. You can alter the sugar with the same quantity of honey for healthier option. Grind this to a fine paste. Now to this add 1 cup of water and grind well again. Now our refreshing pineapple lemonade is ready. Today I have a juicer jar. Transfer the pineapple lemonade to it. Decorate with a slice of lemon and serve it with a silver straw and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, delicious and a healthy recipe. So do try this pineapple lemonade recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video. So please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.